Hello friends, today I would like to introduce you a Seagull men's watch 816.427. This watch is using Seagull ST2502 movement. It has two small dials for date and week. We can press the set button to adjust the date and week. Okay, we use the pin to adjust it. Okay, this side. Is flywheel design. In the back side is exhibition see-through design. There is a Seagull logo on the movement. The diameter is 39 mm and the thickness is 30.5 mm. It's using a 20 mm watch band. This watch is totally zero-tone, including the case and dial. It's great for daily wear and formal business occasions. It's a very beautiful watch. Thanks.